Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to talk about the expected cutoff of Infosys examination, which was conducted today. Okay, so friends, as you know, Infosys has conducted the assessment test today, and now after we write the test, so definitely we will be looking for the result, like when the result will come and what will be the expected cutoff, because many of you were not able to do much questions from the puzzles and also from the pseudocode. Okay, so we will talk in details. So what will be the cutoff? But before that, friends, we have done the videos. You can see. So we have done the videos on puzzles. We have done the videos on technical ability and reasoning ability. So you can also check on our YouTube channel. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe. So we have done the videos on technical ability, reasoning ability, and on puzzles, right? Okay. So let us go one by one. So what should be the cutoff of each section? And definitely after that, I will tell you within how many days you will be expecting your results. So the one thing which I wanted to say, so from the student only I came to know, so many of the students from 2020 and 2021 batch had got the written test link and they have written the examination. 19 and 22, I have not heard from any of the student. So I am not sure that Infosys has conducted for 19 and 22 batch or not. Okay, but I'm damn sure Infosys has conducted for 2020 and 2021 batch. Next, so friends, reasoning ability 15 questions were there, on mathematical 10 question, verbal ability 20 question, pseudocode 5 question, and puzzle solving 4 questions. Now, so as you know, our expected cutoff will be 70%. Okay, so 70% of what? So 70% of not the questions which is mentioned here. See friends, there will be some normalization will be there, so that also we need to understand it. Okay, but before that we will see, if at all 70% cutoff is there, then almost 10 questions you have to do correctly in reasoning. Okay, and then 70% means almost 7 questions you have to do correctly in mathematical ability. 70% means almost 14 questions you have to do correctly from the English, and then 70 questions means you can say 3.5, so you can say 3 questions you have to do it correctly from this, and 70% means here 2.8, so I will keep it at 3 here also. Okay, because 70% will be definitely, so 75% we will take here and 75% we will take here also. Okay, now so sprints, this is expected cutoff I'm going to tell. Okay, so it's not like after 1 or 2 months when the result comes, sir, what had you told is completely wrong. So we are just expecting a cutoff, based on the difficulty level of the questions. Okay, so this is just expectation. Now, so this is what basically 70% means all of us understand. Okay, now friends, as you know, definitely the puzzle questions were wrong. Okay, puzzles questions were tough, right? Pseudocode questions were also not very easy, because many of you from mechanical, electrical, and civil background. But coming to reasoning ability, yes, it was easy to moderate, right? It was easy to moderate. Mathematical ability, yes, it was easy to moderate. And then again, verbal ability, it was easy to moderate. Okay, now, so now normalization will come in picture. Okay, so instead of, right, so suppose the topper, so suppose the person who has attempted all the question correctly in reasoning is just 12. Okay, just 12. Now the 70% of yours will become here 8.4, right? So around 8 to 9 questions if you will do, then definitely you will be getting this 70%. See, the 70% of not the number of question, 70% of the question what a student has done. Okay, now, so friends, if we'll talk about the puzzles, so definitely solving the 4 questions, all the 4 questions in puzzle was tough. So when they will normalize, so definitely the topper would have done either 3 or 2 questions. So if we'll calculate 70% of this, so that means if you have done 2 questions correctly, then definitely you will be able to get a result. Okay, so at least this puzzle section will be clear. So in puzzle section, if you have done 2 questions correctly, then definitely you will be able to clear the examination. Let us talk about the pseudocode. Okay, so now, so in pseudocode, suppose, so the topper has done 4 question. Okay, 3 or 4 question. So 3 or 4 question means 70%. So let us think that if we have done 2 questions in pseudocode correctly, then also you will be able to clear these 2 sections. Okay, so two questions in both the sections is more than sufficient for your cutoff, because if you'll analyze the previous examination, there also student has done 2 to 3 questions from pseudocode and 2 questions from puzzles, and they were able to get the result. Okay, see, the puzzle questions was quite tricky, so there might be a case when if somebody has done one question correctly, and he will be also able to get the result, but that is like kind of like boundary condition. Okay, so that is very much I mean we cannot say that is expected one, so we will say like 2 questions from this and 2 questions from this. Okay, now friends, reasoning ability. So if you have done 7 to 8 question correctly, then you will be able to get the clear the section of reasoning ability. Mathematical ability 10. So if you have done 5 to 6 question, then you will be able to clear the exam. And verbal ability, definitely if you have done 10 to 12 question correctly, then you will be able to get that. Okay, so friends, please do not calculate this 70% of the total number of question. Okay, that is not correct. 70% will be the cutoff. Okay, but this 70% and definitely there will be section wise cutoff will be there. So in every section there will be 70%. It's not like the total 70%. No. So if you have performed well in puzzle, but if you have not performed well in verbal ability, then also gone. Okay, so it's not section wise. So sorry, it's section wise, it's not overall. So it is a sectional cutoff. Okay, it's not overall, it's not overall cutoff, so it's a section wise cutoff. So every section they will be considering. So as I mentioned here, once again I will write down here, so please note it down, and if you have done that much, then you have to hope for the results. So 2 questions from puzzles, 2 questions from pseudocode. Okay, 10 to 12 questions from the verbal ability correctly. Okay, and then mathematical ability, yes, 5 to 6 question, and then your reasoning ability 7 to 8 question. So if this many questions you have done, then you can expect a result and you can start your preparation for the interview. Now friends, what happens, so now your result, see, generally the result comes within a week. Okay, so within 7 days you will be expecting your result. Okay, see, generally the trend we have seen, see, what we do is, I will tell you, see, we do not have direct contact with Infosys, right? See, no one. So if any YouTube channel claims that they have a direct contact with Infosys, no. See, even the Infosys HR, the Infosys TR, the Infosys MR, nobody knows. See, nobody knows about all those things. See, I have spent 10 years, 10 plus years now, 10 plus years in IT industry. Okay, so definitely the experience what I have, I know like how good we will have the contacts with any of the company. See, definitely we have worked for TCS, we have worked for Capgemini, right, through our YouTube channel, but we do not have any kind of direct contact from where we will come to know when the results will come. So when we analyze the previous data, based on that data only, we guide you guys, right? So that generally the result comes in 7 days. Okay, and we have also seen in result and in interview, in both the cases. Okay, so in result and in interview, both the cases we have seen, so first they will be calling CSIT and followed by other branches. Okay, so either in terms of result or in terms of interview. Okay, so either written result, interview result, and then so in both the things, or in interview also, so everywhere CSIT will be given the first preference, and then after that others will be given preference. Okay, so I hope this analysis will help you. So see, the first thing is to remove that from your mind, that 70% of the number of questions, that is what mistake everybody does, and you will be simply tensed. No, see, if you have done this many questions correctly, then please or try for other exams parallelly, prepare for the Infosys interview. And friends, definitely I'm trying to support you on all these ways, and whatever questions you might be seeing. So when the exam happens, we upload the videos, and after that, many other channels will upload the videos, right? So this happens. See, nobody will put so much of effort in typing down the question, solving the question, representing in front of you, and that is the reason we ask you to help. Okay, so see, we should also get some motivation, and our motivation is your comments. When you subscribe, when you share with your friends, and that's how we feel like, okay, we should work more hard and hard, and you should get benefit in all other ways. Okay, so friends, thank you and all the best to everyone. Do not worry, if you have followed our channel, if you have written the exam properly, you will be getting the result. We are with you, and if any kind of doubts, we are trying to clear whatever we can. And one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So if we are not able to write the examination, okay, so I'll share the screen once more. And if we are not able to write the exam because of some reason, if you did not get the test link because of some reason, so there will be an email ID will be there. Okay, so talent acquisition. I will put the email ID in the description. Okay, so I'll put the email ID in the description. Please send a mail to Infosys. See, we have seen that they reschedule the exam also. Okay, we have seen that they reschedule the exam also, they reschedule the interview also, and they reschedule the joining also. So all those things will happen. But you send a email, you send an email to talent acquisition team. I will put the mail in the description box. Okay, because see why it has happened, the reason only Infosys knows. As I said, nobody is having direct contact with Infosys. So if you'll ask us also, we will not be able to help you. Friends, see, whatever genuine information is there, that only I can provide it to you. I cannot fake that. Yeah, we have a very good contact with Infosys. You buy our material and then we will help you out with this and that. No, that is not true. So if whatever is there, that only we will put it in front of you. Thank you, friends. Take care and put your comment in the comment box. We'll meet soon in the next video. Thank you till then.